Fort number 1, Ghodbandar Fort. Ghodbandar Fort is a fort located in Ghodbandar village, Thane, Maharashtra, India, on the hill just south of the Ullas River. It was built by the Portuguese, occupied by the Maratha Empire, and became the East India Company's district headquarters. The place was called Ghodbandar because it was where the Portuguese used to trade for the horses with the Arabs. Hence the name Ghodbandar. Ghoda means horses and Bandar means port. Fort number 2, Belapur Fort. Belapur Fort is a fort near the township of Belapur in Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. The fort was built by the Siddhis of Janjira. It was later conquered by Portuguese and then Marathas. In the early 19th century, the fort was captured by the British. The fort comes under the jurisdiction of CIDCO. Fort number 3, Bandra Fort. Bandra Fort, also called as Castalla de Aguda, is a fort located in Bandra, Mumbai. It was built by the Portuguese in 1640 as a watchtower overlooking Mahim Bay, the Arabian Sea and the southern island of Mahim. The name indicates its origin as a place where fresh water was available in the form of fountain, Aguda. The fort lies over several levels from sea level to an altitude of 24 meters. Bandra Fort has been featured in several Hindi films. Fort number 4, Sion Fort. The Sion Fort is a fort in Mumbai, India. It was built under the regime of English East India Company between 1669 and 1677. It was notified in 1925 as a Grade 1 heritage structure. The fort is situated 500 meters from the Sion railway station. The fort offers a panoramic view overlooking the salt pans in the Thane Creek. Fort number 5, Worli Fort. The Worli Fort is a fort built by the British in Worli, Mumbai, India. The fort, built on the Worli Hill, overlooked the Mahim Bay. It was used as a lookout for enemy ships and pirates. Fort number 6, Sewri Fort. The Sewri Fort is a fort in Mumbai built by the British at Sewri. Built in 1680, the fort served as a watchtower at the top of hill overlooking the Mumbai harbour. The fort was built primarily for defence. It is bordered by high stone walls including an inner ring for added protection. The entrance is stone doorway that leads into a courtyard. The fort is currently owned by Maharashtra State Department of Archaeology and Museums. Fort number 7, Mud Fort. Mud Fort is situated south of Mud village. It is around 1 kilometer walk from Mud bus stop. The fort was built by Portuguese as a watchtower in the 17th century. It offers a strategic view of the coastline and guards the Murway Creek. It is under control of Indian Air Force as it is located close to an Indian Air Force base and permissions needed for accessing it. Mud Fort is not open to the public as it is surrounded by local fishermen communities.